आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो खबरो। गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीच्या मेकॅनिकल विभागान 2 दिसांचो उत्सव घडोवन हाडला।
Our annual technical event organized by MESA, that is Mechanical Engineering Students Association, we are organizing it tomorrow and the day after, that is 20th and 21st of March. It's a technical festival wherein we'll be having technical as well as fun events. It's a 2-day event complete with events such as Gun Expo, Robo Wars, Bike Expo, a stunt show. Then we have an air show as well wherein we'll be flying up model aircrafts.
This time it's very grand. 2014 comes to you with everything it's got. More force, more radius gives you a large torque. That's what we're aiming at.
माहिती हक्क वावरपी सुदीप तामणकारान मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार आणि भलायकी मंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकार आड पुलीस कागाळ केल्या।
हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर, मागीर OSD टू हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी, अंडर सेक्रेटरी, डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ आनी अदर ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आनी फार्मासी ओनर्स हेंचेर इमिजिएटली FIR करून कट कारस्थान करून सरकारी तिजोरेची लूट करता अशें म्हणून सगळ्या सेक्शन्स पळय जे आसा ते ल्हान कंप्लेंट फायल केल्लेली आसा।
सरकारा कडल्यान एकूय पैसो घेनासतना पणजे शिगमोत्सव कमिटी शिगमो मनयतली अशें पणजे शिगमोत्सव समितीचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास देप्यान सांगले।
आमी माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन वचून तशेंच टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन वचून सांगलें की पणजे शिगमोत्सव समितीची तयारी आसा स्वता खर्चान करपाचें आनी ताका लागून आमकां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान स्पेशल परमिशन दिल्लें आसा की पणजे शिगमोत्सव समितीन शिगमो करपाक कांयच हरकत ना, पूण नो प्राइजीस इन्क्लुडींग एनी expenditure for infrastructure will be given by government, including cash prizes.
Bureau Report, Prudent. GPL T20 डेम्पोन जिनोक 21 रनांनी मारले। डेम्पोन 133 रन काडिल्ले। डेम्पोच्या स्वप्नील अस्नोडकरान 74 रन काडले। जिनोक फक्त 112 रनां मेरेन पावले। डेम्पोच्या शेर बहादूर यादवान 4 विकेटी काडल्यो। अस्नोडकर आनी शेर बहादूर यादवाक मॅन ऑफ द मॅच वांटून गेले। बेरेस्तारा पयली मॅच डेपो आनी साळगांवकर आनी दुसरी मॅच चौगले आनी जिनो मदीं जातली। GPL प्रुडंटाचेर लायव्ह चलता।
Swapnil to spin the coin. Heads is the call and heads it is. Shailu, we would like to field.
This time a short ball, and we just said that Swapnil's favorite area is that region. This time the batsman stepping down the track and a misfield there. That ball is going towards the fence for 4 runs. This time the ball taking the outside edge and clears the fence. This time Ravi Teja coming down the track, missing the line completely, and he's lost his off stump. This time a genuine outside edge there. That ball is racing to the fence for 4. This time the ball is up in the air, but third man is inside the circle. This time up in the air, there is a fielder there, and he misjudged that one. This time again up in the air, the fielder is coming underneath it, and he takes the catch cleanly. This time he's cleaned him up again. This time down the leg side, and he'll concede 5 runs for that. This time he's got his man there. Whoa, terrific delivery there. Once again a short ball straying down the leg side. This time there is a fielder. This time he's cleaned him up. Amit Mishra strikes again. This one, there was a chance there for the fielder at first slip.
Pull केला आणि तो फाइन गेला, फाइन लेगाक 4 रन खेळपा खातीर ताक आसा म्हणून आणि ह्या मदीं आणि कॅच सोडिल्ली आसा। शेरू बॉलिंग घालता आणि हो एक उखलिल्लो शॉट आणि गौरीश गावसान ही कॅच घेतिल्ली आसा बाउंड्रीर।
This time off the back foot, but straight to the fielder at point. This time up in the air, there is a fielder there. Will he take it? Easy catch there for Shadab Jakati. And this time he's cleaned him up. Sher Bahadur Yadav picks up another wicket. A convincing victory for Dempos yet again. They are the only undefeated side in this tournament so far.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग Prudent.